How to use Great-West Life Insurance Canada properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Great-West Life Insurance is a trusted choice for Canadians seeking financial security, but many make errors that reduce its effectiveness. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Owning a policy is just the start. Choosing the wrong type of coverage is the first mistake. Term life insurance is ideal for temporary needs like mortgages or deaths, while permanent policies provide lifelong coverage and cash value growth. Selecting the wrong option can either leave gaps or create unnecessary costs. Another common mistake is underestimating the coverage amount. Consider all financial obligations, from mortgages to tuition, plus living expenses. Without careful planning, your family may face financial strain if something happens. Neglecting beneficiary updates is also risky. Major life changes such as marriage, divorce, or having children mean your policy must reflect who should receive the death benefit. Failing to update beneficiaries can result in disputes or delays. Many people overlook policy riders. Great-West Life offers optional features like disability, critical illness, or accidental death benefits. Adding these riders can provide extra financial support during unexpected events. Finally, misunderstanding cash value accumulation in permanent policies can reduce long-term benefits. Regularly review policy statements to monitor growth, loan options, and premium flexibility to avoid surprises. By avoiding these mistakes, you ensure your Great-West Life Insurance Canada policy works effectively. Choose the right policy type, maintain sufficient coverage, update beneficiaries, utilize optional riders, and stay informed about cash value. This proactive approach guarantees real protection for your family.